This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, a lot of retail investors who've been in this AMC play for 4 years or longer are not selling their AMC shares. They're already down 96, 97%, and they would rather it go to zero than give up their shares to these criminals at $5 and $6, as Jim Cramer has suggested. And if you look behind me, here's a post from JMYLEO, and he said he will never give up his shares. And I agree with Mr. JMYLEO because I will not give up my shares either. I would rather the AMC shares go to zero than sell them to these hedge funds and let them off the hook. Okay? And I believe, and this is just my opinion, I believe there are millions of AMC retail investors who feel the exact same way. JMYLEO said he will make money in other places than sell those shares. This has gone beyond just the AMC play to make money. It has exposed the fraud and corruption in the market, and we are sick and tired of it. Okay? So I don't think myself and JMYLEO are a rare bunch. I believe a majority of retail investors think the exact same way, and they are never going to sell their AMC shares to these bad actors at this low price. It costs us absolutely nothing to hold our shares. They have to keep paying borrow fees for those counterfeit shares that they are borrowing and pushing into the market in order to manipulate the price of AMC. And yes, the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI knows exactly what they're doing, and they do absolutely nothing about it, because the ones that are losing money are who? Retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. These bad actors thought their modus operandi would continue, where they get us to buy high, then they start the FUD to scare us into selling low, and then they make the difference. We flip the script on them by holding on to these shares. And if they think they're going to get my shares for $6 or JMYLEO shares for $6, they are sadly mistaken. And like I said before, I believe there are millions of AMC retail investors who think the exact same way. They would rather AMC go to zero than give up their shares at this low price. And based on everything I'm seeing, and even in spite of Adam Aaron, AMC is not going bankrupt. AMC is not going to zero. And these bad actors will be held accountable. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I'm just telling you that I'm not selling my shares. And based on what JMYLEO said, he's not selling his shares either. And like I said before, I believe that we are not in the minority. I believe we are in the majority. And people are not going to sell their AMC shares at this low price to give the bad actors a way out. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that a majority of retail investors would rather AMC go to zero than sell their shares to the criminals at this low price? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.